We have to do the revision of lesson number 16. Isn't it? Yes. Okay. Now, here, lesson number 16. First one, answer the following. That is very easily you can do it. And next one, how many lines can be drawn to pass through two given fixed point P and Q? How many lines you are able to draw it? Divyansh Prajapati. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, the question, how many lines can be drawn to pass through two given fixed point? Means here, two fixed point. P and Q. How many lines you can draw it?
Ma'am, one.
Only one. It should be passed through. Means only one line we can able to draw it. Only one line.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Now, Shantanu Kumar, enable your video. Unmute yourself. Shantanu, unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
Yes, here. A fixed point P is given. How many rays can be drawn with P as initial point? Well, one fixed point P is given. Okay. And they asked how many lines can be drawn pass through this given point. How many lines you can draw it? Only one fixed point P is given.
Miss, which one question?
Question, no need to check it. What I asked, you say the answer.
Yes, miss.
Point that is one point that is P. How many lines you can draw with the point P? Only one point. How many lines you can draw? Don't know.
No, miss.
Very nice. Yes, Divyanshi Pandey.
Ma'am, many lines can be.
Many lines. Only one point. Here, only one point. From this point, many lines like this. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Many points we can draw with the one point. Isn't it? That also don't know, Shantanu. Okay, next. A fixed point P is given, that is completed, no? Now, mark 6 point P, Q, R, X, Y, Z such that P, Q, R is a collinear line and X, Y, Z are not collinear. That is the question number 7th one. Now, Geetika. Geetika, unmute yourself. Geetika Verma.
Yes, miss.
Yes. How we can draw it? They told collinear lines we have to draw, no? PQR. Collinear lines. Yes. Samakshi done nicely. Yes, very good. That is the correct one. Yes, Geetika. But children, in exam, if it is like that, means with the pencil. All the construction part you have to do with the pencil. Don't use the pen to draw the diagrams. Clear? So, collinear lines. It's on P, Q, R and X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Near to these collinear lines. Okay, anywhere you can draw it. Now, next question. How many lines can be drawn through 3 collinear points? Anushka. Anushka Shukla. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. How many lines can be drawn through 3 collinear points?
Miss, one line only.
Only one, because this is the collinear, should be the line. That only we will call as the collinear points. Okay. So only one line we are able to draw it. And if it is non-collinear points,
Miss, only one line then also, na?
then it will become collinear points, no? Non-collinear. Non-collinear, these are the non-collinear. 1, 2, 3. Clear? How many lines we can draw?
3.
3. If you will draw single line, that will become collinear points. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this chapter we have completed. Any doubt related to this chapter? Then only raise your hands. If you have doubt, then raise your hands. Otherwise, lower your hands. Any doubt related in the lesson number 16? Nobody have any doubt now? No. So we can move to the next lesson number 13. Yes. Lesson number 13, exercise 13A. Here we know that we will find out the terms. How we will find out the terms? By using plus or minus. Okay, only plus and minus we will use to separate the terms. Okay, if it is given 2x square into 4x square plus 5y. Adarsh Kumar.
Yes, miss.
Yes, 2x square multiplied 4x square plus 5y.
Miss, I'm doing.
Expression.
Miss, I'm doing.
Not need to do it. Just to say this is monomial, binomial, trinomial or multinomial.
Binomials 2x 2 multiplied by
4x square plus 5y.
Miss. Miss, I don't know.
You don't know. Very nice.
Yes.
Ayush Kumar.
Ma'am, it is binomial.
Yes, it is binomial. I told you only plus and minus we will use to separate the terms, isn't it? Here 2x square will become only single because 4 2s are 8, x the power 4 plus 5y. That means this is the 1 and this is again 2. When the two terms we will get, that is binomial. Clear? Understood? Okay. Now one more question. It is 2y square plus 3x square plus 3y divided by 4. Kaushiki.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please can you say the question because that it is not clear.
2y square plus 3 square plus 3y upon 4.
Miss, it is trinomial.
Very good. It is trinomial. Okay. That means 2y square upon 4 plus 3x square upon 4 plus 3y upon 4. So how many terms we are getting? 1, 2, 3. That means it is a trinomial. Anybody have any doubt related to this? No. After that, we have to find out the coefficient. Coefficient, how we will find out? It is given minus 7y square z the power 4. Any one question? Okay. Okay, now. Ishita Jaiswal.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 7y square z the power 4. Here,
Yes,
which is the numerical coefficient and which is the literal coefficient?
ma'am, numerical coefficient is -7 and literal is y square and z to the power 4.
Yes, very good. Now, Arshita.
Yes, ma'am. What?
Coefficient of y square
-7 z square 4.
minus 7 z the power 4, which is given in the question. Then no need to write. Remaining everything we have to write it in the answer. Clear? Anybody have any doubt related to this? No. Okay. So after that, identify the like terms. How we will find out the like terms here? If some question is given 3a square plus 4b a square plus 2ab plus 2a power 3b. Okay. Now Shambhavi.
Miss 3a square b and 4b a square, they are like terms.
Yes, remaining no. Only the value we have to check it, children. Not the numericals. Here the values, the variables value is a square, here also a square, and here b1, here also b. So these both are the like terms, remaining no. Clear? Then afterwards, generate algebraic expression for the following. This all the things already be done. No need to discuss. Now we will move to the operations of addition and subtraction. Here, anybody have any doubt related to addition and subtraction? Then only raise your hands. Otherwise, some questions I will give you. You have to solve it. If you have doubt, then only raise your hands. I will explain it. Otherwise, I will give the questions from the book. Divyanshi Pandey, you have doubt? No. Akshita? Akshita, 7C. You have doubt? In addition? No. Aryan Singh? Aryan Singh, no. Then lower your hands. Children, if you have doubt, then only raise your hands. Ishita?
Ma'am, in the 14th and the 15th question of exercise 13b.
Question number?
14th and 15th.
Both I told no need. Up to question number 13, that much is enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Gaurav?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon.
Miss, in 13b, sixth first one.
13th B,
I
6th,
have not understood how to do.
13th B,
First one.
6th main first one.
Yes, Miss, 13b, sixth first one.
Yes. Subtract 6x cube minus 5x square plus 4x minus 3 from the sum of x plus 2x square minus 3x cube and 2 minus x square plus 6x minus x cube. Okay. Here, subtract 6x cube minus 5x square plus 4x minus 3 from the sum of x plus 2x square minus 3x cube and this. Okay. Here, we have to subtract these terms from the sum of these two terms. So what we have to do here? First, this both we have to add it. Sum means the addition we have to find out. Okay. Here, x plus one, so you leave little space here. Okay. According to the power, we will write it. Then it will be easy for you. So minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus x. Okay. After that, minus x cube minus x square plus 6x then plus 2. Clear, Gaurav? Any doubt related to this?
Yes, ma'am.
First, we have to arrange it
No,
properly.
ma'am.
Okay, after that, find the sum of this number. If sum means we no need to change the sign. Directly we have to add it. Or minus means what we have to do, Gaurav? Gaurav, what we have to do?
Minus,
We have to do minus.
minus. Miss plus.
We have to add it, but the sign will be
Plus. Miss minus.
minus because greatest digit sign minus. So we will get it 4x here. And what about here?
Miss plus minus equals to minus.
Sign.
Miss plus.
How much we will get it here?
Miss 2x.
2x.
Miss 3. Miss 3x.
3x we will get it here. Plus 2x squared minus.
1x.
Say any one answer.
Miss 1x.
Yes. Only x square we have to write it. Now both plus is plus 7x plus 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then afterwards, from this we have to subtract this. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now others, anybody any doubt? Shubh Agrawal? No. Anushka? No. Then lower your hands. If you don't have any doubt. Because if anybody have doubt, I want to ask to them. Apurva?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
No. Then lower your hands if you don't have doubt. Sonakshi?
Ma'am, I have doubt from chapter 4.
What's the doubt? That we will solve it afterwards, after completing this chapter. Okay, Sonakshi? Yes. Okay, Anubhav, what's your doubt? Anubhav?
Miss, in 13th day, 8th one, I was not able to write.
Wait, 13th.
Fifth, eighth one, number obtained when m times difference of
The number obtained when m times the difference of x, y subtracted. The difference means minus. Okay. Subtracted from n times. From n times the sum of. N times means times multiply. Subtracted. M times the difference of. M times means x minus 1. Okay.
Miss, I don't understand how you have done.
If 2 times means how we are writing 2 into x, no?
Yes, miss.
Let us write all n times the sum.
मेट्रो में कौन है तो मेट्रो में
What? Add.
Yes. Yes,
Let
miss.
only x plus y. The sum of x and y. Okay.
Okay.
Here the number obtained when m times the difference of x and y is subtracted from n times. From this we have to subtract this. M times x minus y.
हाँ होगा तब होगा
Clear?
Okay, Miss. Miss Kaushiki has unmuted
हाँ,
herself.
ना
Yes?
Miss Kaushiki
हाँ,
has
मैं
unmuted
unmute
herself, so your voice is not coming.
My voice?
Miss, your voice is not coming because Kaushiki has unmuted herself.
Others, you
Unmuted.
are able to hear my voice? Yes. Okay. Yes, now Manya.
Ma'am, in exam, all the HCF, LCM, we have to do in the ref column.
All the means if ascending order, descending order, like that question if is there means if the different denominators means you have to show it the LCM. Which one easily you can get it, that is no need to show.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Arshita.
Ma'am, the question which you solved, the sixth one,
Yeah.
Gaurav told plus x, but it is plus 3x. Sixth one.
Which one?
Ma'am, sixth one which you solved just now, the answer is plus 3x. Not
Final
plus
we are
x.
not found, no. Only half part I done. Both are plus and minus means which was that?
Ma'am, it was plus 2x minus x.
Wait. Plus 2
X.
plus
No, ma'am, I'm telling the final result.
final result up to that we are not done. Only the addition part done. Remaining I told him to do. Okay. Only the
Yes, ma'am. Only we have done addition one.
subtraction I told to do you, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Subtraction.
Clear?
So, ma'am, final answer was written on the board or not?
No, I'm not written. Final I told him to do. You have to do like this. Only half part I
So,
done.
ma'am, what answer was written on the board?
First that the subtract 6x cube minus 5x square plus 4x minus 3 from the sum of. Only the sum we found. After finding the sum, from that sum we have to subtract the 6x cube. That we are not done. Second case we are not done. Only first case.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Apurva.
Ma'am, I have done 13B only, 13th question, second one.
Yes.
Second part,
No.
x minus y plus z.
Yes, that means first x and y. In the place of x, you have to write 2a square plus 3b square minus 5ab. Okay. And in the place of y, you have to write b square minus 3a square plus 7ab. Then here it is given x minus y. So what you have to do? For the second term, you have to change the sign.
Yes, ma'am.
Subtract. After changing the sign, you have to subtract it. Then what is the answer you are getting from that? Y. Z. Z means 6a square minus b square plus ab. You have to add it.
And ma'am, in exercise 3A, write down the coefficient.
3a.
Ma'am, third one, write down the coefficient. Ma'am, you told that what?
13a or 3a?
13A, sorry.
Wait, again I want to check it. I was searching 3a. Okay, 13a.
Ma'am, third one, write down the coefficient. Ma'am, you told that whatever is like p squared is given. So whatever is left in that the question, we have to write it.
Yeah.
So ma'am, while I was doing all the rest questions, sometimes the answer was coming in that.
Which question you are not getting the answer? Say me.
Ma'am, fifth and sixth one and third.
Third, fifth, and sixth one.
Yes, ma'am.
It is given here minus 5 p square cube to r the power 4. And fifth one is minus p q square r the power 3. And sixth one 5 q to r.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you see, minus p means here 2p, among that equal 1p is given here. So minus sign also given. That means the answer is 5.
No, ma'am.
5.
Okay, ma'am.
Then p square single p is there, so only one left p we have to write it.
Okay. Okay,
Now
ma'am.
q square here q cube.
Hmm.
So what we have to write it here? Minus 2.
1.
1. That means single cube we have to write it here.
Okay, ma'am.
Then r the power r2 r the power 4.
Hmm.
That
Then
means
1. Then again 1.
only answer.
Okay. Ma'am, actually, I thought no that we have to written what is given in the question. That's
This
it. We
one,
have to write.
This one?
Yes.
No.
No, ma'am.
This is not. According to this, we have to complete the question.
Yes, ma'am. That only I was confused. That I have to why it is written p square is given and again p is only given. That's why I was confused in that.
This we have to check this question. This is the main here. According to this, remaining part we have to solve.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nitesh.
Miss, in 13B, this 8 third one, what
Wait.
should be added to?
13th B.
Yes, miss.
13th B.
8 third one.
8 third one. Here,
Yes,
what
miss.
should be added to? What should be added to? M square minus 2m plus 5n square to get the answer n square plus mn minus m square. So, what
Yes,
we have-
miss. Miss here it is miss this.
Wait. So, which terms you wrote first here? 8 third one. Which term you wrote in first? Nitesh?
Miss, this here, miss, this is plus and miss, the answer is in minus.
Wait, we will solve that question. Then you will understand it properly. Which terms you wrote it first here?
Miss here, n square plus mn minus m square.
That is correct. That only we have to write it. N square plus mn minus m square.
Yes, miss.
Then afterwards, which one you wrote?
Miss, then 5n square.
That is n square. That is plus m square. Isn't it?
Yes, miss.
Then minus 2m. 2
Yes, miss.
n. Then plus 5n
Then
square.
plus 5n square.
Okay. Now
Yes,
what must be added to this number? Means what we have to do? We have to subtract it. Because here 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. This example that day also I given to you. Means here 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. We know that. If the question is like this, what must be added to 2 to get the answer 5? That means this part we have to find out.
3.
So what we have to do here?
It's minus
From 5 we have to minus 2.
5 to
Answer 3.
yes, miss.
The same we are doing here. That means we have to subtract it. So here plus means it will become
Minus
minus. This minus
plus
plus and this
minus.
minus. Now this is plus. So what we have to do here? We have to subtract it. So
Yes, ma'am.
minus 4m square plus 3mn minus 2m square. So the answer now?
Yes, miss. Miss, minus 4n square plus 3mn minus 2m square.
What mistake you done?
Miss, I have not done that minus plus here.
Subtraction. That's why that day I explained you like this we have to do. Don't get confused on that. What must be added means we have to subtract. Clear? Why we are doing subtraction? Okay. Now. Yes, Sonakshi. Sonakshi, unmute yourself. Sonakshi.
Ma'am, hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm having doubt in exercise 4A.
Wait. 4A. Exercise. Exercise 4A. Wait, okay. Let me take 4A. Yes, 4A.
Ma'am, you told that something rule is there that we have to multiply by 4 to get 100 and here to get 1000. So what rule you have told? I'm not able to understand that.
Which rule? That is not rule. Simply I given one easy method.
Yes, ma'am, that easy method I can't understand that.
Yes. Here, know that. Okay. Here, first 2. 5 is the 10. First 10. Next one is 100. 4, 25. After that, 1000. Then 8. How much are? 125. Then table of 2. 2 to support 4 to 8 to 16.
16.
5 paisa 25, 25 paisa 125, 125 paisa 625. Then this one.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, welcome. Yes, Kumari Sakshi.
Hello.
Yes.
Good afternoon, Miss. Miss, from example also the question can come.
If you know the method, means if any question will come, you can solve now.
Yes, miss.
And don't think all the questions you will get it from the book. Most of 75% question you will get it from outside. Okay, you have to do yourself. Because next year you are going to class 8, then 9, 10. If only the book question I will give means just some student what they will do like other subject, they will by heart and they will do solve it. In maths, it is not like that. You have to understand the method and you have to solve it. Okay?
Okay, miss. Thank you.
Yes. Yes, Aditi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, good afternoon. Miss, I had to ask that in 4th chapter, you have said some word problem to leave it. That also will come in exam.
If which I told, that is no need. Like that questions, it won't come.
Okay, miss.
To reduce your burden, that's why we are reducing. Then that question we will give or whatever.
Okay, miss.
Yes, Pragya Mishra.
Miss, am I audible?
Yeah.
Miss, I have doubt in exercise 2D, sixth one question.
4th D.
Sixth question.
4th D up to 4th only is there. Then 6th one, how you will get?
No, miss, not 40. Miss, 2D.
2D. Okay, 2D. The sum of two rational number means what? The sum is given minus 5 upon 4 and one number is given minus 3. That means x sum is plus minus 5 upon 6 equals to this side on in bracket because 2 sides minus 3 now and greater. The sum of two rational number. Sum of two rational number is minus, this is the sum, and one number is given minus 3. Find the other. Okay. Sum of two-digit number. We want 2 digit to get the sum. Okay, Pragya, that means here x plus x is equal to minus 5 upon 4. One x is given minus 3 plus another x we have to find out. That means the equation we will get it minus 3 plus x is equal to minus 4 upon 4. Minus 5 upon 4. Then x is equal to minus 5 upon 4. When minus it will come to the next row, it will become plus 3. Then you have to find out the LCM. Then solve.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Pragya, unmute yourself. Mute yourself. Yes, Anushka Shukla.
Miss, in this question,
Which question?
exercise 30A,
Wait,
third one,
13th,
fourth question.
13th A. Thirteenth A.
Fourth one.
Fourth
And
A.
third question, fourth one.
Third question, fourth one. Yes.
Because I can't understand this.
Now only this type question I explained you. Minus 5 p square q the power 3 r the power 4. And fourth one is p q r. You have to find out the coefficient.
Yes, ma'am.
Now p already p1 p and 1 q 1 r. Which are the left part here? Say you will say.
Yes, ma'am.
Say
Miss 5 minus 5.
yes, minus 5. P square. 1 p is given. 2 minus 1.
Yes.
2 minus 1 how much?
1.
That means 1 p. Q cube. 3 minus 1.
2.
Say fast. Say. This also don't know. Then R. 4 minus 1.
3.
Yes. This is the answer. Now clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now nobody have any doubt, no? Clear? Now can I give some questions? Yeah. So here first exercise very easy, no children? You're able to solve. So we will start it from second. Okay, that only you will make the mistake. Now all of you take the book, exercise 13B. Addition, one question I will give you. That is 1st May, 7th one. 1st May, 7th one. Okay. Now simplify also 2nd May, 5th one. Done. Now 3rd May, the two adjacent. And 5th May, 6th question. 5th May, 6th one. Only that much enough. That much time only they will get. And children remaining each means 6th May, 7th May, 8th May, 9th. One single question. That is the homework to you. You have to practice yourself. Okay? Okay, now solve it and say the answer. Gaurav, completed? Yes.
Miss, I want to ask that first one, which one question we have to do in first one?
1st May, 7th.
Okay, ma'am.
Divyanshi, where you're going? Sit in your place and do it. Don't take your copy. Ayush Kumar already done. Very good. Yes, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ayush. What's the answer?
Miss 22Q plus 9.
22.
Yes, ma'am.
22 you're getting.
No, ma'am. 2Z cube. Ma'am, I was confused. Sorry.
Okay. 2x cube plus
9.
9. Suddenly I was thinking here only 3, 2, 4 is there. Then how
Yes.
can 20? Yes. All of you got the same answer? Yes. Shambhavi same. Manya? Yes. Shruti also same? Yes. Very good, Ayush. Now solve the next one. Ayush completed? Yes, what is the answer? Wait. I will ask to Manya this time. Yes, Manya. You're not audible, Manya.
Ma'am,
Ah.
the answer is plus 1n minus 6n
Wait. Plus
plus 1n
1n.
ma'am, minus 6n
Minus 6n
plus 4p.
plus 4. Then this is m, I think so. No.
Yes, ma'am, m. Sorry, ma'am, I have been past as I have written
Okay.
n.
Shambhavi also same answer. Yes, Ayush also same. Arshita also same. What about Samiksha? Same. Okay, then very good. Now do the third myth. Yes, Shambhavi.
Miss, the answer is 4a plus 10b.
4a plus 10b. Yes. Shruti same? Yes. Divyanshi? Yes. Okay, then good. It's also correct. Now the last question, solve it. Fifth, sixth one. Shruti completed? Yes. First unmute yourself, Shruti.
His answer is
Yes.
2b power 2 plus 2a power 2 minus 4abc.
All of you got the same answer? Yes. Shambhavi? Yes. Manya? Okay. Then very good, children. Enough. I think all of you understood this chapter also very nicely. So we have completed all the chapters revisions properly. So Monday, first exam is maths. I think all are nicely revised. Tomorrow, study leave. So you will get the time. Sunday, 2 days. You will get enough time to do the revision. This for first semester, all the chapters are very easy. You can do very nicely. I'm expecting all of you, you will score more than 90. Will make my expectation true now? Yes, I will see. Then best of luck. And Sunday, before 10 sleep, don't waste your time. 100, yes, very good, Manya. We'll see. And up to 9 or 10, that much is enough. Don't spend more time for reading because this much revision, everything be done. Yes, Arshita. Okay. Take rest. You relax to you and drink enough water. Be relaxed. Don't take tension. When you will get the question paper, read all the questions properly and which you will feel very easy. Solve it that question. No need to write any questions. Only solution you write. But the question number, section A, this all the things properly, neatly and rough work also. And any construction part means with a pencil you have to do. If lines of symmetry, only one chapter we have the construction part, no? There with the compass and ruler you have constructed. Don't use the protector. And lines of symmetry properly. How many lines of symmetry that you have to write it properly. Clear? Best of luck. Do it well. Okay, then bye-bye children. We will meet on Monday.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.